Microwaves. Most of us use them every day to heat up leftovers or make popcorn. But have you ever stopped to wonder how these handy appliances actually work?
Lose yourself, we got no care.
The secret is in something called electromagnetic radiation, specifically microwaves. But what are microwaves? Microwaves are a form of energy that falls on the electromagnetic spectrum between radio waves and infrared radiation. Like all electromagnetic waves, they travel at the speed of light, but they have a longer wavelength than visible light. Inside a microwave oven, there's a component called a magnetron. This device generates microwaves and directs them into the cooking chamber. These microwaves then bounce around inside the oven, interacting with the food. But here's the key. Microwaves are particularly good at exciting water molecules. Water molecules are polar, meaning they have a positive end and a negative end. The microwaves cause these molecules to vibrate rapidly, and this vibration generates heat. It's like rubbing your hands together really fast. You'll feel them get warm. Since most foods contain water, the microwaves heat the water molecules within the food, and this heat then spreads to the rest of the food, cooking it from the inside out.
Baila en la luz, feel the flares. Bodies close, see how they stare.
Now, you might be wondering why you can't put metal in a microwave. Metal reflects microwaves, which can cause sparks and damage the oven. That's why it's important to use microwave-safe containers made of glass or plastic, which allow the microwaves to pass through. So, the next time you're heating up a quick meal in the microwave, remember the amazing science of electromagnetic radiation at work. If you enjoyed this scientific explanation, be sure to subscribe to howwhy for more explorations of the science all around us. Thanks for watching.